When it comes to color grading the footage of your video, I typically shoot in log, so it depends on what camera that you're using. I'm shooting on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 right now, and I shoot on D-Log. And then once you put it into your software, you have to download a log to Rec 709 conversion, and then you get your colors back. From there, you add your color LUT, or I've been doing it manually, but that's how you get your personal colors, your style. I'll go through a little bit in more detail with what I've been using, and yeah. I kind of love driving in Singapore in the morning because there's not many people on the road. Welcome to the studio. We're moving my equipment to my home. Oh hey, welcome to my home studio. Let's give you a little tour. Let's do a little breakdown of the Dehancer plugin. You go into your effects, find the plugin, and apply it to the clip that you've imported in. From there, you choose the camera that you shot it on. For me, that's the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It converts it to a Rec 709, and then you apply your specific film emulation that you want on it, and there you go. It's that easy. For me, color grading and video editing has always been a daunting task because I started off as a photographer. So having a plugin like this really helps me understand how all of this works, and it's not that difficult. With the plugin, I'm able to change the way that my footage looks and makes it look more my style, and I feel like you could do the same thing too. So check it out. My code is in the description below. I've been using Dehancer for around 2 weeks now, and I'm learning so much about how you can change the way that your film looks, just from the film emulations to the different effects such as halation, bloom, dehaze, those kind of things. You can also use my code Mitch10 to get 10% off of your license for Dehancer, and you can try it out yourself.